Hello, everyone. This is JTrains61. Hang on. This is JTrains61 here. Sorry for that repetition. I'm just repeating it. And we're going to try and beat that train here from a standstill start. So, do you think we'll be able to do it? Yes or no? Well, I can't say anything because I know what it is. So, you can guess. Let's go now! Come on! Yes, we're going faster than it already. Come on, come on, come on, come on! This is the AI as well, so it normally accelerates faster than when I drive that thing. Oh my goodness, this is flying! And it's going to overtake the train! Come on! We have flown past easily! Ha! Okay, so tight bend coming up. Hopefully we'll be okay. Good. So we're good, we're good. We're still speeding up, even though we're only using 12% of the power, which is power 1 on the TGV. Let's knock it up a bit. Now full power! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I really do need to slow down in a minute. Oh yeah, this is fast. Come on, get to 490 kilometers an hour. That's when we get to 300. I need to brake soon. Yes, 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 yes. No, 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 no. Apply, apply, apply. Handbrake on, on. This is going to do 513 kilometers an hour on here, but I need to brake. Got 5 kilometers left until we have to stop until we get to the station. This is insane. Please slow down. Please slow down. Okay, so it looks like we're pretty good at the moment. Okay, keep on slowing down, keep on slowing down, keep on slowing down. Still speeding up, probably because I haven't got the brakes on, and we're going downhill. Okay, so we're coming in nice and slowly, even though we're supposed to be doing 45 kilometers an hour, but we're fine. But no, we're speeding up. Right, stop completely. What do you think of this train? It's insane. I promise you, next time when I do a video of this train, I'll promise you I can do top speed on this. This time I won't, but next time I will. I promise. Or maybe I should do that in the next video actually. Yeah, I think I should. Okay. Well, tomorrow is Monday, so I'll have to do a video. I think I'm gonna do a video on Tuesday. So I'm gonna do this train on Tuesday and go on its top and do its top speed. And I promise that. Well, we'll see. Hopefully we can do this. So subscribe to my channel and put a like on this video. Bye bye.